Hello friends, my name is David Crusoe and welcome to my home forge. So I'm one of the blacksmiths here at Old Sturbridge Village, and today I thought I would do some up-close forging, so getting that camera really close to some hot metal. And I'm going to demonstrate really the basic technique of drawing out steel and tapering steel and then cleaning that up on the face of the anvil. So it's a really basic technique that I think if you are interested in getting into blacksmithing, this is what's going to allow you to make all your own tools, tongs, center punches, and even decorative bits like some J-hooks. So without further ado, let's get to it. What you're about to see is drawing out and tapering steel over the horn of the anvil. So the horn is the rounded section of the anvil, and what this is going to do is it's going to act a lot like a rolling pin. And so as we hammer on it, the surface area of it being rounded is going to force that material outward and not so much lengthward. It moves steel a lot quicker rather than using something like the face of the anvil. What we'll then do is, after we have a rough size that we want, after it's roughly forged, we'll take it to the face of the anvil, and because it's going to be all bumpy from the rounded part of the anvil, we can then use it on the flat to clean up the sides. That will take all of the bumpiness you'll see off of that, and that will smooth it up to be nice and even. We'll then take it on its edge on a 45, and we'll forge down onto those angles. And what that will do is octagonalize the bar. It'll cut off those corners, it'll create more corners, and then eventually we work our way around it, taking off more and more corners, and that will round the bar out, as you'll see it being done. The last thing you'll see is a practical application of this, where we'll be taking a tong rein, half of a tong. This is actually the piece itself. We'll be taking a tong rein and working this over the horn to stretch this out. It'll then be rounded or octagonalized and then rounded on the face of the anvil.